That was so awkward. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, if you guys can see by tell, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This is in no way, shape, or form trying to brag. I'm just literally so excited, and this, if you guys know me and I've never talked about it before on my channel, it's literally been my dream computer for the longest time. Being able to buy it now than later has honestly been just crazy. But with the current situation, I'm definitely using my computer and my laptop more. And my laptop is kind of hitting its little, you know, you use certain things and then it's like freezes up and stops working. And then it resets itself. And one time it didn't want to turn on. I'm not sure exactly what's going on with it, but I've had it since I started college, and I think that's 3 years. It works okay, but sometimes it literally is just a pain in the butt. If you guys don't know, I'm doing my internship from home, and sometimes just like doing the task for my internship, my computer will freeze out of nowhere. So I just want to get started and ahead with the unboxing. This is huge. You guys saw I literally had to like push it into the frame because I literally had to push it into my room as well. I can't carry it. I'm too weak. Don't ever do that. But we're gonna get started. I'm so excited, but I'm also tired, so that's probably why my excitement is like I'm also gonna be stuck at home for like the rest of the year. My classes all got moved online, so not only am I working from home, I'm being stuck from home, which is also what pushed me to buy this. That and the fact that I don't really have textbooks to buy this semester. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's the other way. Are we ready? I literally moved it down for dramatic effect. Oh my gosh. This is... I probably look like such a little kid because that's how I feel right now. And it has padding on here, so it didn't like, you know, sometimes some delivery people don't know how to handle stuff, but that's really nice. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. It's not even it, and I just think it's so pretty like the box. Okay, I need to stop and actually get going. Gosh, okay. I'm excited. I've literally been waiting 3 weeks for this, and I literally have like the accessories that I got with it. So I am a college student, and I was able to get, I think, $100 off this and some free AirPods, which I'm not going to keep for myself because I already have some that I bought last year. And I got a trackpad just because I really like the trackpad. When you get to stuff like Photoshop or just scrolling and using, I don't know if you guys know, like Macs, you can full screen something and then it sends it like over. I don't know how to exactly explain it, but you use the trackpad and you go like this and you can switch between screens, which is essential. So I did end up buying that because I do like that from like what I've experienced. So cool. Okay. It's a piece of paper and I'm like, it's so cool. Okay. Are you ready? Woo! So this is the stuff in the styrofoam. I'm gonna drop this. Oh, okay. This, I've watched unboxings, should be the keyboard and the magic mouse. We just push it out like this. That is such a pretty keyboard. So here's the keyboard. It has the wrapping on it. I'm gonna take it off once I put it up on my desk. Here's the magic mouse. This is kind of heavy. Ooh, compared to my current mouse. This is what the magic mouse looks like. So pretty. It's hot too. And then it has this right here. So I think this is just like the Apple stuff that everything comes with. Oh, there's a cleaning cloth. I saw that. I was excited about that. The Apple stickers, obviously, and then just like all the other information, what comes with the iMac and stuff. And then last but not least, I think this is the last thing, it comes with a cord. So this is like a charging cable. Not sure exactly why it comes with it, but I'll take it because I like charging cables from Apple. You know, one of mine is already like breaking, so I don't want to drop this. I just found the cord. Oh. This. Okay, this is the screen. This is almost as big as my TV. Like, my TV is 32 inches, this is 27 inches because I'm extra. Oh, this is huge. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here is the computer on top of my desk. You guys can see it's huge, literally hits up to my TV. Like I said, my TV is 32 inches. This is 27 inches, which is insane. This is eventually gonna go in one of my drawers whenever I'm not using it because I do have room for that. Wow, this is insane. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna take this off. I am so glad I asked my dad to make this desk longer because originally it was gonna stop right here. And imagine, like, I would have just had this enough space, so I'm glad. Voila! This is gonna be the most satisfying part. I saw it in our unboxings and I was like, I can't wait to peel this, like, plastic off. You can see the ring light. Literally just like in love, insane. I won't even have to open the stuff full screen. I can literally just open like so many different windows and not even struggle. I don't know what I'm gonna do. There's my computer. Okay, let me get the keyboard and the trackpad. Now we need to hook it up. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so satisfying. Oh, the keyboard is so pretty underneath. Look, it has an apple. Look at that, it has an apple. This is insane. There's no reason for a screen to be this big. Oh my gosh. Here's the mouse. So where does this go? Ow, I just hit myself on the TV. It's not connected and like it's not plugged in, but the connection cord is on there. Now we're gonna open the trackpad. While I continue with my, there's no reason for a screen to be this big, there's really not, but we are extra. I'm gonna open up my trackpad. Got this because I personally really enjoy it on the laptop whenever you can switch through screens. Literally just easy, especially when you're taking notes for a class or whatever. Oh, it comes with another charging cord. Yo, I'm set for life. I kid you not, I still think I have my AirPod ones. It's not a charging cord. Apparently this is what you actually connect it. Oh! I just realized it's for the mouse too. Okay, literally just so stupid. Trackpad is so pretty underneath too, just like the keyboard. So white. This literally, I thought it was gonna be silver. It's white. I don't remember where I'm even supposed to put all this. Like this. Okay, I am in such a shock at how big this is, but I love it. Also, if you hear any background noise, it's because my fan is on, so that's why it just got hot. I basically set it up, but it's a lot of like personal information as well, so it just kind of like didn't show that. Right now I'm downloading some updates before I start downloading everything that I had on my laptop. I think there's a way to like transfer stuff, but I'm just probably gonna like download everything and then airdrop whatever like I had on my laptop onto here. I know I'm getting like the workspace that I have for my internship, and I'm getting the Adobe Apps on there, obviously Microsoft Office, Chrome because I need Chrome because I prefer Chrome, and then just like Minecraft. I bought Minecraft and I only played it like twice, but might as well leave it on there, you know? Works. Yeah, this is insane. Oh my gosh, there's no reason for a screen to be this big. Like, you guys see my TV and you guys see this and like it's a little bit off, but like there's no reason for it to be that big. But I'll keep you guys updated once I've downloaded more, probably. If not, this is probably the end of the video, so thank you guys so much for watching. I honestly feel so fortunate enough to have this computer right now. There's a dog outside. Okay, so this is the update a couple days later, just because, you know, some days I don't get ready and I don't want to film when I'm not ready. Yes, I'm sitting with the blanket on. The only unfortunate thing about where my desk is placed is that it's literally right under the air vent. So whenever the AC is turned on, I get cold. But I've been sitting here and I'm finishing editing the video. I have everything on here. I was able to transfer everything using Migration Assistant from my laptop to my computer, and it didn't delete anything on my laptop, which is nice, but it did transfer everything and left it how I had it originally. So basically like everything that's just on my laptop, it transferred to my computer, and now I just want to show it to you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my desk, and this is the way I'm filming just because I don't want the window to reflect on the computer screen. You guys can see that I'm editing currently on Premiere, and then I have everything on here. I've decided to keep this setup just because, you know, the mouse, it's easier to have it on that side, and trackpad if I ever want to switch or do something or zoom in, you know, just put my fingers on there. Basically, this is my home screen. You guys can see I do have a hard drive plugged in, but I don't normally have it unless I'm editing or doing something with pictures. This is what my taskbar looks like. All my Adobe stuff that I use is down here. I also have Word, which I also need to call my school because apparently it won't work on my computer. I'm not sure why. And then I have my messages, photos, FaceTiming, Apple TV, Minecraft. And then I have this right here, which is for my internship. I have my Spotify, which you guys can see, it's right here. I put in all my apps that I had. I think I had deleted some of these on my laptop, but they stayed on my computer because all I did was transfer and I didn't really delete anything since there's so much space on here. There are some like other stuff. Wow, that is a lot of Adobe things. And then we have the Adobe apps that I have downloaded. These are the only ones that I have downloaded because there are more. I just don't want to download them if I don't need them. We have Microsoft Office, and then obviously stuff like Minecraft, Google Chrome, OneDrive. I think OneDrive is on Microsoft Office, I'm not sure. We have Spotify and then all these other ones that I can use. Basically, like I said, I've been keeping the keyboard and trackpad and then the mouse because it's just easier that way. And I realized that I had my camera on zoom when I filmed the first part. But yeah, that's kind of what it is. I really enjoy editing on this. You guys will most likely see it on the background of some videos. I will say though, I like that it has multiple USB ports and it has an SD card reader and some other stuff so I can connect it. I can also charge my laptop through here, which is nice, but why would I be using two unless I want to do like dual monitors, but like why? So it's nice to not have to buy an adapter to connect stuff because my adapter was getting ruined. At my previous internship, I always had to connect on a USB cord. Of course, I'm not going to be taking this computer to like anywhere else except my room, but you know, that is the update, despite the fact that I look like I'm wearing the same clothes because I am. But that is it. Let's go back to the video. And yeah, I'm just so excited. Can't wait to start using it. So I bought a new desk chair and I got a new desk if you guys don't know. I mean, my desk chair is comfortable, but sometimes like just sitting down for a long time is uncomfortable. I can literally stand up and like move this up and work while standing up, which is nice because I couldn't really do that with my laptop. It's not up to par, and this is. Yeah, editing on this and just doing everything, like I could literally open up a Word doc here and put like a PowerPoint up here and it works, you know? I don't have to be switching screens. I'm just so excited. Oh my gosh. I do want to remind you guys that I do have a huge back to school giveaway going on right now, so you guys can go enter. It's going to be linked down below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe because I am uploading more, and especially now that I have like a better editing system, not editing system, a better computer to edit on because my computer was crashing as well. Like I said, it just kind of hit that point where it starts crashing on everything. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.